los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Well, hello all you viewers and subscribers, Bomb Snowman here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the Harlem Shake remix video. This video was actually taken a couple months ago back then, like near 2012, like near the winter, or like the last year in near the spring, so around there. It was just about me and my cousins, as you guys see. We just wanted to do something fun. Because it was near the Harlem Shake season, I guess you could say, and we just wanted to make a video. So then we just made a Harlem Shake video, and we just made it in like we just did 3 Harlem Shake videos. But then I just decided to make it into like a remix to make it a little bit more fun, more enjoyable, I guess you could say. But I hope you guys still enjoy the video. But please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to Alicia Ross and the Bard Kid and Jonathan Doe. But there will be more videos coming out soon later. But I hope you guys still enjoy the videos. Yeah. But thank you, and goodbye.